All right, so today we're going to be going over 3.05 area of triangle notes, okay? And so we're going to be finding the area of two triangles in specific, okay? Side, angle, side, and side, 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 okay? So first off, we need to learn these formulas, and here they are, okay? So you're going to have area equals 1/2 AB sine of big C. Okay, you've got 1/2 BC sine of big A. And then you've got 1/2 AC sine of big B. Okay, and so that's only for side, angle, side. Okay, so if you're given two sides and an angle, that's your formula. You're going to be the same process like we did with law of sines, law of cosines. Now we're just determining whether it is side, angle, side, or side, side, side. All right. Okay. And for side, 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 the first thing that you must do is you must find S. And to find S, okay, it is going to be this. It's going to be a plus little b plus little c, all divided by 2. And then to find the actual area, we're going to do this. We're going to get area equals the square root. Okay, the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So that's why it's important we figure out S first. Once we know what S is, then we just plug in S, and we already are given little a, little b, little c, obviously. So then you just plug it in there, and that's how you would find your area for side, side, side. Okay? All right, so let's look at these couple examples right here. So this first example here is we are given two sides and an angle, so side, angle, side. Okay? And so I'm going to use the area formula that has little b, little c, and big A in it. So our area formula is going to be 1/2 b times c times sine of big A. Okay? And so let's go ahead now and let's plug in for what we know. So we're going to have 1/2. B is 12. C is 18. And then big A is 52, so sine of 52 degrees. Okay? Just take the calculator and just plug it in as you see it. Right? So make sure mode's in degrees, which it is. Okay? And so then you're just going to plug it in as you see it. So you say fraction button 1/2, parentheses 12, parentheses 18, put B and C in there, and then sine of 52. And after you have that plugged in there, you just hit enter. And when you do, you find out that you get 85. So we'll just call it like this. We'll say 85.1 units squared. Because remember, area is squared. Okay, I didn't give you any units, so therefore we just write it as u to the second power for u squared. Okay? All right, next problem here. Number 2. Looks like we've got side, side, side. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to find S. So remember, S is equal to A, which is 13, plus B, which is 8, plus C, which is 15, all over 2. And so when you plug that into your calculator, that is, you get 18. Okay? And so now then to find area, we're just going to do this. Wherever there's an S, we're plugging in 18. So we're going to get 18 times S minus A. So 18 minus 13 times S minus B, so 18 minus 8 times S minus C, which is going to be 18 minus 15, all under the square root. All right? And so if you want to, you can go ahead and already kind of like subtract in your head to make that a little bit easier. I just plug it in as I see it, right? I just plug it in as I see it. So I hit second square root. I do 18 times 18 minus 13, parentheses, 18 oops, that's not 18, 18 minus 8, close parentheses, and then 18 minus 15, close parentheses, hit enter, and there we go. It looks like we got 51.96. We're rounding to the 10th. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in the last problem. And so we would just write then as our area equals 52 units squared. Okay, last two here. So again, looks like we've got three sides, so side, side, side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find S. So remember, S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. And so when you do that in your calculator, divide that by 2, you end up getting 31.5 for S. And now what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into your area formula. So we're going to get area equals the square root of S, or I mean not the square root of S, what S is, so 31.5 times S minus A, so 31.5 minus 24 times 31.5 minus B, which is 18, times 31.5 minus C, all under the square root sign. And now that's how we're going to plug it in. So we're going to plug it in exactly like that to find the area. And so to do that, we're going to get 31.5 times 31.5 minus 24, close parentheses, times 31.5 minus 18, close parentheses, and then 31.5 minus C, which is 21, close parentheses, all under the square root. And if you did that correctly, you should get a big number here, okay? And when you round to the tenths there, it looks like it's going to be area is equal to 183 units squared. Okay, 4, looks like now we've been given two sides and an angle. Sorry, I don't know why I went blank there for a second. Two sides and an angle there, so side, angle, side. So again, we're going to use the area formula. Use the area formula that has little a, little b, and big C. Okay, and so then let's go ahead and let's plug it in. So we're going to do 1/2 times a in parentheses, which is 20, times b in parentheses, which is 33, times sine of big C, 98 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to automatically go ahead, plug that into the calculator right there as I see a fraction button, 1/2, open parentheses, 20, close parentheses, open parentheses, 33, close parentheses, sine, 98, close parentheses, hit enter, and it looks like it's going to be 326.78. So that looks like 326.8 units squared. All right, guys, not a super long lesson today. Really, these next two won't be too bad. Maybe word problems a little bit longer, but that's going to be it today. Okay, and so you have that up as a resource if for some reason you're struggling. Okay, but yeah, that's it from me today, guys. Great job on the quiz today. Really proud of you guys for that, and looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow in class. Talk to you later. Peace.